Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support guys, means a lot. So in the description box below, I have my Instagram page linked. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow guys. Okay. So today's pick a card reading is all about your 2021. So how is your 2021 going to be? So that is the reading for today. Okay. I have kept 3 decks. Okay, so I'll be using this deck for group number 1, this one for group number 2, and this one for group number 3. Okay, so I'm using a tarot spread today that is called New Year spread. Okay, so I'll be pulling out cards and I'll explain it while I'll do the reading. At that time I'll be explaining about that, and then we will pull out some extra oracle cards. I have kept this wisdom oracle card, and then we have some affirmation cards also for you guys, and then I will be doing your charms so we can just get more information. Okay, so from January to December, so I'll be doing that also. Okay, so yeah, so it's time to select a deck. Okay, so this is for group number 1, the Sherman Cassidy deck. Cassidy, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so that is for group number 1. Okay, then second one is Anne Stokes Legends. Okay, for group number 2, and for group number 3 I have this Gill Tarot, one of my favorites anyways. So 1, 2 and 3. So close your eyes, relax your mind, and which deck you are very intuitively connected, select that deck. Okay, so yeah, let's start the reading. I'm gonna go with group number 1. If you need more time, please pause the video, and the timestamps will be provided in the description box. Okay, so yeah, let's go and do it. So group number 1 guys. So group number 1, if you chose this one, this is your reading. Okay, so so if you missed out the introduction, so I'll be doing a spread called New Year spread. So, and I'll be using these oracle cards, these affirmation cards, and I'll be using charms. Okay, and letters also, and we will be looking through like from January to December. Okay, with this charms also, so extra information, a lot of information. Okay, let's see for my group number 1. So the first card I'm pulling out is what will be your overall energy for 2021. So what is going to be your overall energy for pile number 1? What will be their overall energy for 2021? Okay, it's a, oh my, okay, so we have transformation. So you are going to be like completely different than, you know, a lot of transformation is happening. I feel like that. Yeah, you're gonna change your perspective about certain things. So yeah, your ego is gonna go, and I feel you will be embracing spirituality also. It's like this overall energy is like transformation, a lot of spiritual awakenings I feel for you guys. You know, for this 2021, you'll be changing your yeah, you're gonna glow. I feel like that with this death card. So it's not like that is gonna happen. It's not that, you know, it's like your transformation. Your perception is going to change for this 2021. And even if you have bad situation, I feel, you know, I feel like you will be very hopeful about the things, and you will not give up. I feel like that you will be very powerful, I feel. So let's anyways clarify this death card. Yeah, Hierophant. Yes, this is what, you know, because of this, you know, you are going to embrace spirituality. I feel like that you will be very, you know, you're getting into spirituality. For you, I feel, yeah, many of you are getting into spirituality, meditation. So you are going to have a different perception. I feel your perception about things is going to change for this 2021. You're going to be very spiritual. I feel like ego death, you know, your ego is like gonna go, and you are understanding why things happen for a reason. You know, things fall for a reason, and even though things fall, good things will come. You know, you are going to be very positive also. So I feel like, yeah, you're this is like an inner transformation. I feel like for many of you, you are because this 2020 has taught you a lot, so you are gonna be embracing that. You know that challenges happen for a reason, and you have a choice whether to go forward and don't give up, or you can just give up. No, so I feel you will be like in that energy where you will be like, oh, it's okay, this is a challenge, right? I'm gonna go wake up and just do the thing, and I'm not gonna stop, like that kind of energy I'm feeling. So yeah, meditation, I feel you're going to be like meditating, or you might be doing yoga or something, maybe transforming your body, eating healthy. So wow, that's cool. Okay, so that is your overall energy. So let's see if what is departing from the last year. Okay, so what energies are departing? Okay, so for group number 1, what energy is departing? Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups. Okay, so let's just clarify this for group number 1. Please clarify this. Again we got Death card. Yeah, okay, maybe some relationships, you're just letting go of some relationship that is not good for you, so huge transformation. Yeah, some relationship. Yeah, some relationship, definitely. That some relationships that is not working for you, maybe something that is toxic or that is not good for you, that you will be, I feel you're going to be very, very aware of the things. A lot of awareness is coming, so you're not going to connect with everyone, I feel like that, because of this awareness that you have, because you're going to go through a lot of transformation. For some of you, it's like you're letting go of a relationship that is not working for you, letting go of collaboration that is not working for you, something that is not working for you. But I feel this will be a good thing, this will be a good thing that will transform you. Sometimes it is a challenge because we are afraid of change, but this will be a good thing. With this Wheel of Fortune, I feel like that this is going to be a very good thing for you guys. So yeah, some relationship, something that is not good for you. Maybe you will travel somewhere, and like you're not into this long distance relationship or something like that, so you will be not like, yeah, I don't want to do this, I want to concentrate on my career or something like that. So yeah, maybe for some of you, you are letting go of a relationship that is not working for you, or that is, you don't want it, maybe because I feel you will make the decision because you are changing, you're evolving, you're transforming, and this person is not doing that. This person is not transforming, they are not on the same wavelength, so maybe that's why you will take this decision, I feel. So for some of you, yeah, it's a relationship that you're letting go, or something that is not good for you, some opportunities that is not good for you, some collaboration. Okay, so let's see what is the talent that you will be learning this year, this 2021? What is the talent that they will be learning for 2020? Okay, you got 2 cards here, so let's see what else. Okay, so I feel the more, Queen of Pentacles, you're going to be very, very mature. You will be balancing your finances and your career, your finances, your home life, whatever the thing is, like there will be a balance. You will be taking mature decisions. So that is the talent I'm feeling like this. With this 2 of Wands energy, I feel you're not afraid to take action, and you will be very patient. So that is also a talent. You're going to be very patient, and that things will come to you, and you're going to be very, very patient, mature. You're not going to be like that kind of energy where you're very impatient and you're very questioning universe or losing faith. No, I feel you are going to practice faith in your life. Okay. Yes, if you're married, I feel you will be very well balancing. If you're if you're a businesswoman and you have a family, you will be balancing it well. Okay, so with this Ace of Cups, I feel that you are, some of the relationships that were not good for you, or some of the opportunities that were not good for you, you're not taking that because you are going to be very, very mature. Very, very mature, and you're going to take better decisions regardless of the gender. I feel like that you're going to make better decisions. That is going to be your talent for 2021. And another talent is like, yes, you will be very patient. You will be patient with yourself, with others, because you're transforming, you're evolving, you're going to be very, very kind, at the same time very mature. Okay, so I feel like that people are going to love you guys. Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, so maybe you will travel alone also. I feel like that for some of you, you will be like, you were afraid to travel alone, and you will be taking your decisions by yourself. That is also going to be a talent that you didn't have. Right now you're making your decision for yourself. You're not allowing other people to come and make decisions for you. So that is also a good thing, right? So yeah, that I got goosebumps for that. So yes, you are going to be like fearless. You're going to, yeah, that is what, your inner self is going to change. You're going to transform a lot this year, guys. and maybe the reason is because 2020 has taught you a lot, and you're going to take it more, and you're getting more into spirituality, trusting your intuition. Yeah, maybe you will trust your intuition more this time, this 2021. Wow. So okay, so upcoming opportunity, future opportunities for you guys. Let's see for 2021 what will be the future opportunities. Let's see. Okay, we take. Wow. Okay, so you will get an opportunity. I feel for many of you, you might do something that you're passionate about. I feel like that. With this Ace of Pentacles, some doors are opening that will give you abundance. Okay, maybe you will get like you will get income not from one source, maybe 2 or 3 sources or something like that. You will be doing something differently, maybe a business. You might start a home business or something like that. Maybe that is also your Queen of Pentacles. You might start a home business or something. Let's clarify any of these Ace of Pentacles. Let's clarify Ace of Pentacles. Please clarify Divine Ace of Pentacles for my pile number 1. Okay. Wow, King of Pentacles. Okay. So yeah, so maybe for some of you it can be a person that is helping you in this business. A mature person might help you. Some doors are opening. Maybe some person will gift you money or something, some inheritance. Okay, I don't know why, but maybe you might get some money. Okay, maybe some opportunity will come your way that will be beneficial for your career, for your finances. Maybe you will start a business with someone with an earth sign. Okay, maybe that earth sign may give you some opportunities, business opportunities. I feel like that. Anyways, I feel your finances will be good. You are going to get a lot of, as I said, a lot of income through different sources. You will be sitting at home making money. I don't know, I feel like that. For some of you, this can happen. Okay, then the next one is what will be your obstacles. Okay, so what are your upcoming obstacles for 2021? Obstacles for 2021. Yeah, I feel anyways 2021 will be pretty good year compared to 2020 for you guys. You're going to be very mature, and that's a good thing. You will be able to balance 2 things at the same time, multitasking and all. I feel like that also. So that is why you can do a lot of work, and I feel for you guys, you will be able to do a lot of work. At the same time, you will not be overstressing because you will be into this meditation, spirituality. Because of that, your mind is going to be very calm. I feel for many of you are going to learn yoga or something like that. Meditation. You will be doing meditation, and maybe you're following Buddhism or something like that. I'm getting that also. Okay, so let's see what is your obstacles for my pile number 1. What will be the obstacles for 2021? Okay, the sun energy. Okay, maybe the obstacle is you will not be like you'll not be able to enjoy it. I feel like that you will not be like in this childlike energy where you'll be enjoying yourself. Okay, I feel for some of you this might be an obstacle. Okay, maybe you will be worrying about your child, or maybe you have a child at home, so you need to take care of them, so you will not be able to give that much time to yourself or something like that. Can also happen. Maybe you will not be in this fun energy. Okay, anyways, let's clarify. Or maybe your obstacle will be you will not be in this present moment. You will be thinking about future, planning about many things. Maybe that can also be obstacle. It's not an obstacle though, but yeah, our mind. Yes. Okay, for some of you, sure, there is a child that you need to take care of. Okay, so it's not an obstacle. We will be happy to take care of that kid, but I feel maybe you'll not be able to work that much because you need to give some space, time for that. Your child also, I don't know, I feel like that child energy is coming with this Page of Cups also. Some child energy is there, so you need to take care of them also. You need to take care of your business or something, your career also. So maybe that might be a little, it's I don't know, it's like small obstacle for you guys. Maybe you'll be, so how to overcome that? Let's see how to overcome your obstacle. Okay, we have this Queen of Cups here. Oh God. Okay, take care. Queen of Cups is like such an emotional queen. She knows her. She is so intuitive. She knows what 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 she needs to do. So just you need to embrace your intuition, you need to connect with yourself, don't stress. So I think the main thing obstacle here for if you don't have a kid or something like that, someone in your house that needs to that's needs your care, okay, I feel it's like you will not enjoy. Some days you will be like, you'll not enjoy the small thing you achieve in your life. I feel like that you will not be able to have that what do you say, that kind of energy when you will be when you will have a small success, you will not enjoy it. You will be like going to the next stage. You want to make do more and more and more, so you're not going to have that energy. So that is going to be an obstacle, because of that there might be an imbalance. So that is what you might be in this divine masculine energy a lot, where you will be like working. For some of you, I feel that can be an obstacle, where you will be working and you will not be resting, you'll not be relaxing, okay, enough. You will be always working, I feel like that. So it's important you embrace your emotions also. If your body says take rest, okay. With this Queen of Cups, I'm getting that you need to take rest, okay. This 2021, you will have moments where you need to just take rest, not work. Okay, so it's not a yeah, okay. So how to achieve your goals? The last card is how to achieve your goals and dreams for my pile number 1. How to achieve your goals and dreams. Okay, so with this 4 of Cups, yeah, you need to trust your intuition, guys. I feel like that you're very intuitive, or I feel the main obstacle is that you will not listen to your heart, okay. Even though you will be meditating or something, I feel many of you will be meditating, doing yoga, but then too you will not see the things you're achieving. You will not be able, the thing is, like, you will not be happy with your own success. I feel like that is the obstacle. I feel like that you need to be happy with your success, okay. You will be on the go. So because of that, you will feel like, oh God, why this happened, I wanted this. So you need to let go of this 4 of Cups energy, okay. So yeah, boredom. So yeah, boredom might be a problem for you guys, because you will be like, maybe you will get easily bored and you will feel like giving up. That might be an obstacle for you. If you want to achieve your dreams and goals, you need to relax, okay. You need to enjoy the small success you have, okay, and don't give up, okay. Yeah, maybe that is also for some of you. You might give up fast. So let's clarify anyways. 4 of Cups, okay, let's clarify. Okay, we have 5 of Wands energy. Yeah, now I'm getting, with this 4 of Cups, you might feel there is a lot of competition, lot of competition around people. Maybe there will be conflicts, if you're doing some business, or if you have a blogging page or YouTube page, you will feel like, oh, why this is not happening. Yeah, that is what even though you will be good at waiting, you will be patient, you will have patience, but then too you will feel like, oh, so much of competition, I did better than this person, why I'm not getting, maybe that kind of thinking you need to let go, okay. You don't need to compare yourself to anyone else, okay. Be yourself, trust your intuition, okay. That is what you need to do here, okay. So yeah, maybe that can be a reason where you'll be comparing yourself to other people. Even though you have achieved a lot, then too you will be looking to you'll be comparing, you will be looking, oh my God, she just did this and it's not that good also, and she's like blooming, or maybe something like that. Don't do that, okay. Just invest, just trust your intuition and do your work. That is it. Don't compare yourself to anyone, and small things in life, enjoy it, okay, because you're gonna make, your finances are gonna improve this year for sure, okay. So just enjoy little things, okay. And I know that and I feel like because of all these things, because of all these obstacles, you are gonna be mastering these skills, patience and balancing you'll be balancing your family, career, everything. So that is what I'm feeling like here. Okay, so overall I feel it's going to be very, very better than 2020. You have learned a lot of lessons, and I get that you have learned a lot, and you will be putting it in 2021. Okay, so that is what I'm getting here. Okay, let's see your oracle cards. Okay guys, so what extra guidance for 2021 for pile number 1 people? Okay, yeah, to have confidence. Okay, yeah, time to, yeah, here look, you will be with this some energies, you will be leaving some energies in 2020, some people, some things, some you might change your career also, something like that. You are going to a new, you'll enter through this new door. Okay, and you will be very confident, so don't lose confidence. Okay guys, so that is, we got this 48 and 45 number. Yeah, so yes, yeah, this is like 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is all about completion, right? So yes, with this death card, and yeah, with this we got ace of cups for like the departing energy. So you're leaving something and going to, you're doing something completely new, you're going in a new direction. I feel like that. Yeah, that is what. And you need to maintain your confidence. Okay, yeah, that might also be a problem, because you will be comparing yourself. So that is your hurdle. Okay, if you want to achieve your goals, don't compare yourself to anyone else, just keep on working. Okay, just keep on working on yourself, meditate. Okay, so that is what I'm seeing here for you guys. Okay, and you will be able to make a lot of money, as I said, for some of you. Okay, and in love also I feel there is a new opportunity. Okay, I feel like that you will be, for some of you, I don't know, I'm getting this energy also, you might get pregnant also this year. I don't know, that's an extra message. I feel like that, entering into motherhood. So don't stress about that also. Okay, you got one card. Let's see what is that. My future is glorious. Wow. I now live in limitless love, light and joy. All is well in my world. Yes, all will be well, guys. All will be well. Just don't compare. Be confident in yourself. Okay, because all is going to be well in 2021. You have done a lot of work, inner work. I feel like that with this death card, and you will be transforming a lot in, because that is the overall energy. So I feel, you will be learning your lessons throughout 2021. Okay, so yeah. One more card, let's see. Okay, we got that. So I am safe in the universe, and all life loves and supports me. Wow, look at that. You will be supported, guys. You don't have to worry about anything. So that is what here with this 4 of cups, you need to let go of that energy where you will be feeling, yeah, I'm not making enough, I'm not doing enough. So don't stress that much. Okay, be patient about it. That is why, this talent, you will be, by the end of 2021, you will be learning that talent, I'm sure. I breathe in the fullness and richness of life. I observe with the joy as life abundantly supports me and supplies me with more good than I can imagine. Wow. So yeah, I feel for you guys, you need to just work on yourself a little bit more, and everything will be okay, guys. Yeah. So let's see. What are your charms? Let's see for your charms. Okay, I'll keep like this. Okay, let's see for my group number 1. Okay. Okay, so I'll just keep it. Yeah, January, a lot of help is there, a lot of divine help is there, because you're completely transforming. So yes, you will get the assistance. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, there is some money coming towards you in February month. So just, yeah, look, we have this lizard. You're gonna regenerate, transformation. Overall 2021, you're gonna grow, you're gonna transform, you're gonna know new things about yourself, you're gonna explore yourself completely. You will explore yourself. I feel like that. You'll know, oh, I have that talent. Wow, you'll be exploring that. So just get out of your comfort zone. So February, in the month of February, just get out of your comfort zone, because if you get out, I feel you will be making more money, more income. You're gonna be transforming. With this lizard, you're just gonna grow and grow. You're just transforming beautifully. So just get out of your comfort zone. Maybe something will happen that will make you get out of your comfort zone, okay? But like, yeah, a lot of assistance in month of January, and February is going to be like a more transformative month for you guys. I feel like that. And March, yes, crown chakra, and we have, yeah. So whenever you're feeling sad or whatever the scenario is, maybe there might, there will be some disappointments happening in the month of March, but just connect with the divine, because you will be you will be getting the clarity you need with this color. I feel like that you will get the clarity, because you will open up your crown chakra also. So you are getting into meditation, guys. Yeah, I'm sure you will be doing meditation by the month of April and all anyways, because you're transforming. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so with this, yeah, you will be, April, you will be feeling free. In March, I feel in March there will be some kind of disappointments happening, and in April it will be okay. It will be very, very small thing. You'll be like, okay, I'm fine, I'm free, okay, I'm just out of that. So yeah, May. Okay, May is like you might be yes, you might be doing some self-care. I feel like that you'll be feeling free in April and enjoying that, and things will be coming together in April and May. Something will happen in March, that will make you understand. You will get some clarity, and because of that, you will be exploring. You will be like, maybe you will travel. You will have a small vacation in the month of April or something like that. Okay, and in the month of May, I feel you will be like going more into your spirituality, meditation. Doing the things you like. Okay, enjoying life. I feel like that, and things will come together. Okay, so whatever in March, whatever disappointment that happened, it will be okay by April, I'm sure. Okay, then the next is June. Yes, more fun. If you have a spouse, you will be having fun with them, or you will be just enjoying life with your friends. Maybe going to like beach area in the month of June. And yes, you're going to be very wise in the month of June. By the June, you are transforming more, you're changing yourself, you're going, inside you're changing, you're getting more freedom from inside. You're not thinking too much. I feel like that is happening for you guys, and you're getting more wiser and wiser. Yeah, in the July month, you're growing, your growth, you're maybe in business also, you're growing, you're getting a lot of abundance. Okay, so yeah, for July month, I feel like that. Okay, for you guys, in the month of September, yeah, we have this bird again. And look, camera. Okay, maybe you will go to a vacation in the month of September, clicking pictures, having fun. That can, I see travel for September also with this camera. Or maybe for some of you, you will get, some clarity. Maybe you will be reviewing your progress or something like that in month of September, and you will feel good about yourself. I feel like that, the work you're doing, and you will be very proud of yourself. I feel like that in the month of September. Okay, so anyways, growth, a lot of growth is like you're transforming. Okay, next. Okay, so October month, yeah, you need to stick to the plan. Maybe there, you will be reviewing things, and you need to stick to the plan. Okay, a lot of love, solutions will be there. So don't give up in the October month. Maybe you will be feeling like giving up. Okay, don't give up. Just stick to the plans. Do what you're doing. Keep on doing. Keep on moving forward. Okay, with this anchor, I feel like that. And love, always trust your intuition. Make a decision with love. I feel like that, and when you do that, you will get the solution to all your problems. So in the month of October, if there is a problem happening like that, where you're feeling like giving up, because you have this energy 4 of cups, so maybe you will get into that situation where you will be feeling like giving up. Oh, I have done a lot of work, why things are not manifesting so quickly for me? Maybe that energy needs to go. So you need to think, you need to listen to your intuition. That is what I'm getting. You listen to your heart and take decisions. And when you listen to your heart, you will get the solutions. You will get the ideas. You will get the messages. I feel like that. Okay. And in the month of November, okay, so yes, expression, you need to express yourself more. You will be very, in the month of November, maybe you will be expressing yourself more. You will be understanding, you are getting a solution, and you will be expressing yourself. November is a month of expression. You will be talking too much, I feel like that. Maybe you will be telling your ideas to some people, how you overcome this, you will overcome this, I feel like that. And how you might share your stories or something like that. Or maybe someone is near you in the month of November who will be like gossiping around you, maybe. Okay, beware of that. But with this mic and this parrot, yes, you will be talking about things. You will be talking. That is what I'm feeling for November month. And December, yeah, you're going like, this is like you're going to be very, very wise people. You will know who is good for you, what is good for you. That is the talent you're cultivating. You're going to balance. You're going to be very wise. I told you, like, you will be very mature. You'll be very wise people. You know where you need to go. So by the end of this month, yeah, you will be you know where you're going. You will be going through a lot of transformation. Yeah, you got in June month also, you're going to be very, very wise. Anyways, I feel for this June month, you will know what is good for you, what is bad for you, whom you need to trust, what you need to do. Okay, so just that is. Or maybe for June month, I'm getting one more thing. Maybe when you're very playful, when you relax, you will get a lot of ideas also. I feel like that. Okay, yeah, that is all I'm getting here. Anything else? Yeah, letters. Okay, last thing is letters. Okay, let's see your letters also. So if you get a specific word for 2021, let's see your letters. For group number 1, define the letters. Okay. We have I, U, N, A, D, S, R, O, L. Okay, look, LOA, law of attraction. So law of attraction is going to work for you guys. So you might be manifesting something in the month of, in the year of 2021. So yeah, if you're doing scripting, believe in it, guys. Believe whenever you script, believe it, believe. Okay, so go inwards. Yes, you're going inwards. You're changing a lot of transformation. I feel like that. Yeah. Okay, S. Anything else to? Yeah, nah. Yeah. Okay, yeah. No. Nah. You will be saying a lot of no's. I feel like that in the month. Sorry. Why I'm saying in the month? I'm so sorry, guys. Okay. Yeah. If we had a E, we could get a rise, right? But we don't have a E. Anyways. Yes, you are gonna shine like a sun. Yes. This year is very, I feel you are gonna transform yourself. That is what. This is a year for transformation, gaining confidence, being yourself. Okay. That is what you need to do. That you will learn by the end. I feel you will be learning that. Okay, that's all for group number 1. Hope you like the reading. Okay, so if you like it, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Group number 2. If you chose this, let's see what is your reading. How is your 2021 going to be? Let's see for group number 2 people. Okay, so I have taken out. So if you missed the introduction, so we will be doing. I'll be using a tarot spread today. Okay, and I'll be using this oracle card for extra messages, these affirmation cards, and then we will be doing charms. So like I've used, like from January to December, I'll be using charms for this. So like extra information. Yeah, pretty much that. Okay, so let's see. So let's see. Okay, for my group number 2. Okay, I'm so sorry. Let's start. So for group number 2, so oh my god, what is that? Very strong energy here. Anyways, so let's see, a lot of passion inside you guys. So let's see what will be the your main energy, overall energy for 2021 for pile number 2, divine. For pile number 2, what will, this is going to be a very detailed reading, so it will be like big one. Okay, let's see. So yeah, so for my group number 2, what will be their overall? Yeah, overall, so we got 2. Wow, look at that, we have 9 of wands and the sun energy. So yes, so I feel the overall year for your overall energy will be like the things you wanted to achieve in your life. You have been fighting for something, you will be like believing in something, that you want to achieve this, you want to do this, you want to go, you have been believing, you have been fighting for that. I feel like that with this 9 of wands energy, I have been feeling, I'm getting that energy where you've been believing in something, and I want to do this only, I want to go ahead with this only, and finally you will be going ahead with this in 2021, and you will be feeling so happy, because with the sun card, that's always a good thing, right? And it's the so I feel you're inside, you will be happy about the decisions you make in 2021. So I feel like there will be a lot of joy, happiness, because you will be satisfied with yourself. So that is the overall energy. I feel like that, you will be going towards the thing you're passionate about. Okay, no one will be able to stop you. That is what I'm getting. I told you, you are like a very, I feel like a very passionate energy inside you guys. You're very, very passionate towards something, and you're going to achieve that. So the overall energy, when the sun card is like happiness, right? Joy, fulfillment. You'll be very happy about your success. You'll be like a sun. You'll be like expressing yourself a lot. This year, 2021, you'll be expressing yourself. You will be standing up for yourself, and you will be doing what you believe in. No one will be able to stop you this 2021. You are unstoppable. Wow, that's a good start there. Okay, so let's see what energies you are leaving behind, departing energies of the last year. So that is going to be this card, what you are leaving. Okay, wow guys, 8 of swords. Yes. Wow, that is a nice thing. So you are so stressed, you are always in your head, and that is gonna go, guys. Wow. And you're gonna, as I said, the overall energy is you're going to believe in yourself a lot. This is like a inner growth. I feel like that you will be standing up for yourself. No one will be able to, yes, no one will be able to give that negativity to you. I feel like that. Yeah, you know what you want from life. You are going to be so clear. I feel like that you're going to be very, very clear about the things. With this 8 of swords, this is a person who is not clear, who is always in head, who is doubting themselves, and thinking about the future, and frustrating, and having depression, very, very anxious energy with this 8 of swords. Yeah, you're leaving that energy, guys. Wow, that's beautiful. So you are right now also, maybe you are stressed about something, but the good news is you're leaving this behind. You're not taking it to 2021, guys. Wow. So let's see. So a lot of inner transformation, I feel like that. For group 1 also, there is a lot of transformation, because I feel 2020 has, it has been a tough year for so many people, but at the same time, people are getting more aware of certain things, I feel like that also. Yeah. So spiritually, many people are getting aligned here. So yeah, maybe that's the reason. So yeah, you're not going to be in the head. Wow, that's a good news. Next is what you will be, your talents that you will be achieving this year, 2021. So let's see what talents my pile number 2 will be achieving in 2021. Okay, we got 3 cards, guys. 7 of cups, 10 of swords, and 3 of wands. Okay. I feel like with this 10 of swords, you are going to, you will be very good at ending things. I feel like that, if something is not needed, you are like, okay, I'm I'm out, I'm just gonna go. And with the Seven of Cups, you know, you will not be confused anymore. You know what as I said, you will be believing in yourself. You're going to be very, very clear. So that is a talent. You know where you're going, what you want from life. You know, you're going to plan. You're not going to be in this confused state anymore. With the Seven of Cups energy is like a lot of confusion. So the talent I'm gonna get here is like the confusion is gonna go from your life. You're not going to be confused anymore. You will be like, yes, I have done this much, now I'm planning ahead, but I'm at the same time, I'm not going to overthink about anything. I'm just going to give my 100% and wait for the results. So that is that is what you're going to achieve this year. Wow, that is also good. So you're working a lot on yourself in 2021. You will be very patient, I feel like that. You know, last group also, like they are also have this, you know, they are also learning that patience. Yeah, everyone is learning to be more patient, you know. Wow. So yeah, that's good. So yeah, endings with this, you know, confusion. You're going to end your confusion. You will be very, very clear where you want to go in your life. And with this, or maybe you were confused before in love. You will not be. You know who is good for you, and you will be, you know, you'll be waiting patiently for that person. You know, you don't want like small term relationships anymore. You're like up, you know, you don't want that. You are like planning for a long term one, and I'll wait till that time, until I'm gonna work on myself, and I don't want these short term crazy relationships anymore. I'm just gonna go out of that. For some of you, I'm feeling that also. You're going to be very, you know what you want. You're having a clear vision. Wow, that is a good thing, you know. Anyways, and maybe yes, that is what I'm getting. You're not afraid to wait anymore. You will be very patient about that, and you know, because good things are gonna come in your life. Okay, so what will be your future opportunities in 2021? Okay, so that came out quick. Two of Wands. Wow. Yeah, travel. Okay, for some of you, you might travel because we have Three of Wands also here. So yeah, but I feel like travel is in, yeah, travel. You might travel. You might travel. You might yeah. That is that. There is travel. Maybe you need to do something. You know, your work needs travel or something like that. That, you know, you will get opportunities for that, for traveling. Maybe, yeah, travel, and you will be doing some business. I'm feeling, yeah, maybe something that is you know, collaboration. Yes, you might be collaborating with someone, so someone will reach out to you for collaborations or something like that. That you might get some like that kind of offers where you'll be collaborating with brands or something like that. Okay, for some of you, I feel like that kind of opportunities will be there presented to you guys. Okay, so I need to clarify this. Let's clarify this. Two of Wands energy. And anyways, you will be moving forward. Lot of opportunities with this Two of Wands. I feel lot of opportunities, and because it's a very passionate, you know, very, very passionate. You will be very passionate to do these things. Yeah. King of Swords. Okay, maybe some you know, some person who is very good in his work. Some, you know, rich. I feel a good brand, or maybe a CEO will offer you something, or maybe some, you know, some. With this King of Swords, I'm getting good collaborations. Some people will collaborate. Some successful people will want to collaborate with you. Something like that I'm getting here. Okay, so yeah. So good collaborations are coming your way. That will be a good opportunities, definitely. And you will be able to travel also. That is also an opportunity I see. So next one is what yours, you know, your obstacles, upcoming obstacles, you know. What will be your obstacles for 2021? Okay, so we have Six of Pentacles. Okay, so let's clarify this. Six of Pentacles. Okay, we got again a Nine of Wands here. Okay, so why I feel like sometimes you have problem receiving money. You maybe someone wants to give you some money and you are like, you don't want it. I don't know why I'm feeling like that. We will just clarify once again. Six of Pentacles here. 8 and Ace of Cups. Okay. Maybe you will feel that with the Six of Pentacles, you might feel that the work you're doing, you're not receiving that much. or something like that. Or maybe you feel like you're doing too much and you're not receiving it back, so that might be an obstacle for you. You feel like you're doing a lot of work, and yeah, and you feel that people are not giving you that back. Maybe that's the thing you need to understand, that maybe you are getting too defensive with this nine of swords, nine of wands energy. You need to let go of that defensive energy. Okay, you need to work more on yourself, because when you work on yourself, when you love yourself, you'll be able to, if you don't expect too much from others and you expect yours from yourself, I feel this will be okay. I feel like that. So I feel like that only. With the six of pentacles, you'll be feeling like the work you do is more than you receive, or something like that. Even if it's in a relationship, you will have problem compromising on things. That is what I'm getting. That is your obstacle here. Yeah, that is what I'm getting here. You don't want to compromise on something, and maybe sometimes you need to compromise and you don't want to compromise. So something like that here, six of pentacles. So let's see how to overcome this obstacle. 10 of cups. Yeah, love. You need to love your family. Maybe you will have some problems in relationship with your family member. So maybe you're feeling that you're giving them, you're not receiving that. So you need to learn that. You need to compromise a little bit in your relationship. And when you do that, then you will make a happy relationship. I feel like that's, in a relationship, we need to compromise sometimes, because with this nine of wands energy, sometimes you can be like straightforward, and you will answer without thinking. Because sometimes you will protect yourself, you want to protect yourself, and sometimes what happen, it might not be so good, because other people will feel bad. I'm feeling that energy here. Sometimes you will not compromise on things, and you need to compromise. If you want a happy family, you need to compromise on things. I feel like that. Yeah. And I feel maybe for some of you are working too hard on your career, and you are not looking, you're not spending time with your family. That can also be an obstacle for some of you. Okay, I'm getting that also here. With the six of pentacles, you are giving a lot of energy on your work, other thing that you want to achieve in your life. So you're not spending time with your family members, your loved ones, because you're not having that fun energy. So that is what you need to overcome. So you need to spend more time with your family members. Okay, sometimes you need to make compromise. Okay, for your family members, you need to make a little bit compromise if you want them to be happy, you to be, then only there will be a balance. So yeah, that is what you will have problem balancing things. That is going to be your obstacle, I feel, for 2021. It's like balancing your family, your career, or not giving enough time, or not spending enough time with family. That is going to be your, that is, yeah, you need to balance that. And when you spend time with your family, look at their perspective, and if you feel that they're not understanding you, educate them. Okay, say that I want this in a good manner. Okay, so don't be rude. I'm getting that energy here, because with this nine of wands, and when I clarified that also, at that time also we got this nine of wands energy. So you're going to be that kind of energy where you're believing in yourself, and yes, no one can say that to me, that kind of energy where you'll be always in the defending mode. So don't do that. Sometimes you need to understand other people's perspective also. So that is the obstacle, that you will not be understanding them, you'll be always thinking about yourself. So you need to compromise there. Okay guys, with this 10 of cups here. So yeah, how can you achieve your goals and your dreams? So let's see what is the last card. Yeah, okay, we got Queen of Cups, we got Knave of Pentacles, and we got Five of Swords. Yeah, you're going to be very, very ambitious. I feel like that. Yes, I have to say that with this Five of Swords energy, I feel you're going to be very, very ambitious, and you want to win, no matter what, you want to win. And so I feel if you want to achieve your dreams, you need to trust your intuition and go slow. Go slow, guys. Don't be very, very fast. Sometimes what happened, we might be rude to some people. That is what I'm getting here, guys. You might be rude to some people because you want to win or something like that. So if you want to achieve your goals, you need to trust your intuition. Go, be more kind, be more caring, and you need to connect with your emotions self also. Be more kind and go slow. There, you don't have to hurry. Okay guys, maybe you want to achieve this, so I'll do this. Don't be in that energy. I'm getting that, guys. Okay, with this Knave of Pentacles, you will get the opportunities where you can showcase your talents. So just do that. Go slow. Okay, listen to your intuition, make wise decisions, and when you trust your intuition, with this Queen of Cups energy, you know what you want to do. So just listen to your heart. And because sometimes you're all over your head, maybe sometimes you want to win, that is in your mind. I feel like that is there in your mind. In 2021, with this nine of Wands energy, I'm getting totally, you will be like, I want to win no matter what. I want to win. So just so this is like just an guidance for you guys, that don't be like that. Okay, trust your intuition, trust your gut feelings, and without harming anyone, just do your work. Okay, so you need to be more caring, more kind, more in your feminine energy, because I feel you will be in your masculine energy more. So you need to balance that. Yes, that is your obstacle there. You are imbalanced with your masculine and feminine. So just maintain a balance, meditate, trust your intuition. Okay, so that is where you need to work on, guys. Okay, so let's see what your oracle cards have to add to this for group number 2. Okay, wow, soulmate. So yeah, maybe a person want to reach out to you. Maybe they will offer help, but you will be so in that Nine of Wands energy where you will not see that. I kind of feel like that you will not see that. Yeah, that is the thing. So you need to be sometimes that's happened, right? Maybe in love life you were not that, you didn't have good relationships or something like that for some people, so you don't trust people easily. Maybe you're not letting in people, so you will have a problem with that also. Please, there are some people, there will be some people who wants good for you. There are, so let them in. Okay guys, I feel like that. So yeah, that is what is coming. You might have problem people, you will not trust people easily, and sometimes it's a good thing, but sometimes don't defend yourself more. Okay, it's okay. Sometimes you don't have to you don't have to be right all the time. Okay, that is what I'm getting. You can be wrong sometimes, it's okay. And this person, there is some person who will help you in this journey, so let them in. I feel you will have problem letting them. Yeah, take time for a nap. You will be like on the go. You that is what I'm getting here. You will be always on the go. I want to do this, I want to achieve this, I want to do this. So take some time off. Okay, take a relax, trust your intuition, sleep, relax, chill. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, so let's see what your affirmations have to say. So that is your guidance, guys. You need to listen more to your body also. Take rest, relax, and trust your intuition. Okay, so let's see what your affirmations for 2021 for group number 2. I prosper wherever I turn. You will prosper, guys. You don't have to worry. You don't have to be always working. You can relax. Okay, you don't have to defend all the time. There will be people who will love you for who you are. Okay, I now see opportunities for abundance everywhere. I am blessed and prospered. Okay, so you will get opportunities definitely with this Two of Wands energy. I feel you will get a lot of travel opportunities. You will get business. If you are into business, you will get that opportunity. Your career will be okay. I feel like that. Okay, and I feel sometimes you are not. If you're in a relationship, maybe you need to give some time to your spouse. I feel like that, because you will be always on the go. I feel like that. I don't know why I'm getting this energy where you want to make something for yourself. You want to make a name, but don't be in that energy where you want to do it very quickly. No, time is not running away. Okay, you need to relax also. I love my body. Okay, yeah, with this relax, you need to take some time off your body, because you'll be working a lot. I feel like that, and so you need to take care of your body for sure with this 2021. I feel like that, and your overall energy is very beautiful though, guys. But the only thing is, you don't need to be so defensive all the time. I create peacefulness in my mind, and my body reflects this peacefulness, as perfect health. Okay, so yeah, so that is your 2 affirmations here. So let's see your charms. Okay guys, okay, so let's see what charms have to add for your 2021. So group number 2. Oh, well done. Oh my god. Okay, this is out, so I'm not taking it. So let's see. I'll just keep it like this, okay guys, so I can, yeah, okay. So January month, I feel you need to trust your intuition. Maybe there will be a confusing period, so you might to take a decision. So just you use your intuition. Okay, that time I feel like that you need to use your intuition more. Trust your gut feeling at that time. Okay, in the month of February, your protector, or maybe you will go to church or something, and maybe visit a church or something like that, or maybe you will. Yeah, I feel like that. Okay, or maybe you will travel some place where maybe visiting some church. What, I don't know why I'm saying that, but I kind of feel like you will be visiting somewhere. Maybe you will travel. Okay, so in the month of February I feel like that. Okay, and in the month of March we have, yeah, you will be in your power. Okay, with this look, good luck, because March month is going to be like full of love, good luck. You'll be in your power, you'll be very happy, you'll be very, you will be like, yes, I want to do this because your overall energy is that very passion, full of passion. Yes, I'm going to do this, I'm going to take this charge, I'm going to move forward, and you know what, everything will be good because do with love. Okay, take care of your body also. I feel like that you will be on the go, and yes, good luck is there. With this elephant I feel good luck only, and you will take wise decisions. I feel like that in the month of March. Maybe you work on spirituality, or in the month of February you'll be learning something spiritual. Okay, I'm getting that also here. Anyways, you're protected in the month of February, and the March you will be like taking action, very very passionate energy here, and going forward with the things you want. And yeah, in the month of April, love. Okay, so someone is with the soulmate energy. I feel like that there is someone coming, who is going to open your hearts, but you need to trust your intuition with this. Okay, because I feel you don't have time for love, but you need to spend more time. If you're in a relationship, spend more time with your partner. Okay, that is I'm getting here. Okay, maybe, yeah, that is what I'm getting here. With this May, okay, doing something very different. You will be exploring. Maybe you will be traveling in the month of May. Maybe you're reaching high, success. You will be very very successful in the month of May. I feel like that maybe you will accomplish something. Yeah, and with this June, look, travel is there. You will be, I told you, you're going to be very very ambitious, and you will be reaching your success also. You're going to fly high, guys. Okay, with this June also, maybe travel is there, exploring things. Yeah, travel I'm getting a lot. Maybe you'll travel for work or something like that. Okay, yeah. Then July, we have, look at that, we have 2 owls here. So I feel in the month of July there will be a wise person who will give you a good advice. You need to take it. That is what I'm getting. This is a completely different message for you guys here. You need to take an advice from a friend. Okay, there will be a person who will give you good advice. Okay, so just take it. And yeah, with this hummingbird and birds, lot of freedom, lot of you will be enjoying in the month of July. I feel you will be enjoying life. Okay, you'll not be like, I feel like a break. June and July will be like a break, like a month where you will be enjoying yourself, relaxing a little bit. Okay, so maybe at that time don't think about your work a lot, just be free. Okay, with this hummingbird, happiness, joyfulness. Okay, some wise people are, wise person, someone is there in your life who will be very very wise, and they will give you good advice, so take it. I feel like that. With this August month, stick to your plan, just go. Okay, I feel you will be sticking to your plan and working very hard. In the month of August, you will be working very hard because with this June and July, you might have traveled, or you might have taken a break or something, so you'll be working hard and sticking to your plans, you know, getting back into work in the month of August. Okay. September, again protection, a lot of protection. You're going to be very courageous, and I feel you, even though things sometimes in the month of October maybe there are things that will not happen in your favor, even though it will not happen in your favor, you will be very strong, determined to move forward. Okay. And yeah, and I feel you need to take care of body. Maybe you will start you will be looking after your health, exercising in the month of October also. Yeah. And moving forward with determination, I'm getting this Chariot energy here. Or travel, again travel is there, travel, lot of travel. Okay, so yeah, travel, something about traveling here. Maybe you're traveling alone, but even if you're travel alone, you are protected, you don't have to worry about anything. Okay. Yes, that is September month. Sorry, I told October or something. I'm sorry. Okay. Then October. Yeah, a lot of transformation, guys. Unicorn here. Freedom, transformation, growth. Even though, yeah, October month, yeah, you're understanding more things. You will be understanding a lot of things in the month of October, and that will transform your, you will be like, yeah, I want to do this or something like that. Your intuition is going to be very strong, so listen to your intuition here in the month of October. I feel you need to trust your intuition while making a decision. Go with your heart. Okay. That is what I'm getting here. Yeah, November we have keys. Yeah, 2 keys. Yeah, some moving in together with someone, because we got something like there in the month of April. Yeah, you connecting with this person or something like that, and you will be like moving in together or something like that in the month of November. I don't know, but maybe for some of you. And yes, yeah, magic is gonna happen with this dragonfly. Yeah, you might shift somewhere or something like that, maybe new home for some of you, but you will adjust very easily there. Okay, I feel like that. Okay. Yes, moon energy. Yeah, you will be trusting your emotions, you will be very happy. I feel like that in the month of November. With the keys, I feel like that maybe you will buy something new home. I don't know why I'm getting that. Maybe you'll buy some new home, you yeah, some, or maybe you're going to a place, you are relocating or something. Maybe that is also I'm getting here, and you will be very happy about that. Okay. Yeah, December month you will take a break. I feel like that you'll be like, oh, I have worked a lot, I need to take a break or something like that. I feel like that. Yeah, you might be relaxing because you have, I feel this whole year you will be working a lot, you will be concentrating in your career and working a lot. And look, with this angel also, you are going to sing your own song. I feel like that you are going to do what you want to do anyways. You're going to be in your power. I feel like that. Okay. And yes, angels, if you connect with angels, angels are with you. So maybe sometimes you will feel like, things in the month of December, you might feel like things are very slow. For some of you, don't worry, angels are with you, they will help you in this also. Okay. And anyways, a lot of like passionate energy. A person is there who is very nice to you. Maybe a friend. Okay, maybe a friend who connects with you. Just open your heart to them, don't be defensive all the time. So that is what I'm getting for group number. I forgot your letters, so let's see what your letters say. Okay. REH W T F. Okay, WTF moments in your life will come. DNA. Okay, you're just gonna embrace yourself the way you are, your sexuality. That is what I'm getting. Maybe the defensive energy is there. You're gonna embrace yourself for who you are. No one can make you like, it's in your DNA. That is how I was born. You and that kind of energy will be. I feel like that. Okay. Pen. Okay, maybe some of you will start writing or doing something that is, maybe, yeah, that can also be thing. Maybe you wanted to do writing, so you'll do writing. You will start writing things what you want to write. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here. With this, then anything else we have? Okay, that's it. If you get any words, comment down below, guys. Bye bye, take care. My group number 3, if you chose this Guild Tarot, my favorite deck. Okay, so let's see what's for you guys. So I'm gonna use tarot spread, that is New Year spread, for this reading, and then we will be doing we will be like using these oracle cards for some more messages, extra messages, and these affirmation cards, and then I'll be using the charm, this one where we can just extra messages for each month. So this is also I'm going to use for charms. Okay, so yeah, let's get going. Okay, so let's see for how 2021 will be for my group number 3. So let's see. So the first card I'm just pulling out is your overall energy for 2021. What will be your overall energy for 2021? For my group number 3, what will be their overall energy for 2021? Let's see. Okay, wow, you're gonna perfect, you're going to be very perfect. I feel like that. Yes, you're going to be very perfect. You are going to be very stable this year. You'll be feeling very stable, because this is what I feel. I just you will be very confident in your work. You're going to do a work very like perfectly. I feel like that you're going to be very perfect about your, if you are doing some, if you're an artist or someone, you'll be very perfect at it. Yes, that is what I'm feeling. You're gonna master your craft. That is what I'm feeling here. So yeah, so if you're learning something new, right now if you're learning something new, you will be mastering that in the year of 2021. It's not going to be a very quick process, but definitely you will reach your goal. Okay, slow process, but definitely, because this is a slow moving energy here, but at the same time, this is the stable card. This is the, you will be very, very stable. You will be feeling stable. You will be having the stability you want in your life. At the same time, things will be moving, but it will not be very, very quick also. So yeah, you'll be you will master something. I'm feeling like that. You're going to be master. You're going to be like, if you have started something new, now you're just studying. By the end of 2021, you will be like, you'll be very, very good. You'll be perfect at it. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, for your overall energy. What is happening? Okay, I'm so sorry for that. Okay, so yeah, you're going to be like very, very perfect at what you do. Okay, so yeah, so but don't overwork also yourself. Okay, maybe you'll overwork because of your you want everything to be very, very perfect, so you might overwork. So don't do that. Just trust yourself. Okay, I feel you will be very good at planning also. You'll be planning well. I feel like that. Anyways, if you I feel if you're in a relationship, this relationship will be like more stable. Yeah, this person who you're with, you will feel more stable, more comfortable with this person. Anyways, so yeah, something very stable. So your 2021 will be very stable. I feel like that. That is what I'm getting. Even though things might seem slow, but it will be stable. So the next card is, what energy is your departing from last year? So what is like going away? So let's see. I'll just shuffle it once more. So what is going away? What is your departing from the last year? What energies are like going away for you guys? Okay, yeah, you will not be bored anymore. And yeah, I feel like that. You will feel, why my life is this, why I'm not getting this. You were very impatient. I feel like that finally you are just getting out of that energy where you will not be stressing about that. Okay, so I have this project at, I have this, things are slow but yet stable. You will feel like that, and you will not focus on the things that is not working. You will be focusing on the things you have. I feel like that you're you're learning something. If you're learning something new, you will be very best at it. At the same time, you're not comparing yourself to other people. So last year, maybe in 2020, you used to compare yourself and you feel like, oh god, they have everything, I don't have anything. You're stopping that. You're not doing that anymore. You're just you are learning something and you are going to be good at it. You are just working on yourself. Okay, that is what I'm getting. You're not seeing with this Four of Cups energy, where you feel the things I want is not happening, and what I'll do, feeling very bored or something like that. Maybe for some of you, you're not going to be bored anymore, so boredom is going away. You'll be very, very like in this energy where you want to craft, you want to do something. If you are into painting, you will be painting a lot. You will be very, very happy with that, feeling happy, that energy where you're feeling like nothing is moving forward, like you'll be like not so impatient about it. I feel like that. So you're living that energy, and that's a good thing. And what talents you're achieving this year? What talents you're achieving this year, like 2021, for my group number 3? What talents they are achieving? Oh my God. We have Seven of Wands energy. So I'll just clarify this for you guys. So what is this Seven of Wands energy talent? We have Ten of Pentacles. Okay, I'll just take one more. Okay, we have Five of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and Ten of Pentacles. Okay, you're not going to be like stressing what other people think about you, or you're not going to stress about the career choice you made. So maybe that is the talent you are achieving. You're going to be very confident, and you feel like that. I feel you're not going to be like you don't want anyone else. You can do it alone, that kind of energy. You're not going to be like afraid to go alone. Okay, that is what I'm getting. You're not afraid of competition. So yeah, that is what I'm getting. You're not afraid of competition. You're not afraid of people saying anything bad to you. You're just gonna let it out. I feel like that is what is happening to you. That is the talent. You're not going to stress on small things. Oh, this person said that. Okay, they are like for example, if you're painting, you will be like before you were like, oh my God, is this good enough to post? Is it worthy enough to post? Will people like it or not? What will my family members say? Something like that. You were like in that kind of energy, right? In this 2021, you're letting go of that. You're not going to worry what other people say about you. You're not going to stress about money. You're not going to stress. That is what that talent you are going to achieve. You're going to be very calm, and I feel you have been working on that. You have been meditating. So I feel for many of you, you are overthinkers, but the talent is now you are in 2021, you are like letting go of that overthinking. You're not thinking too much. You're just working on your craft, working on a relationship, working on the things you can make better. Okay, so you're working on yourself, not stressing about stupid things like, is this dress good, or am I looking beautiful, am I fat, am I thin, that kind of things, or whatever your family members. You don't want to come into other people's expectation. You don't want that. You don't think about that. You're changing your perspective completely. So that is the talent you are achieving. I feel like that. And you know what? You're working for yourself. You're going to be very passionate about yourself, the things you want to do in your life. You're not going to think that, if your mother doesn't understand what you're doing, okay, you will educate them. I feel like that this is what I want to do, this is where I'm going. You'll make them understand, or maybe you will give advice to other people. I feel like that you're going to be very wise, because yeah, that is what I'm feeling. You're going to be very wise, and you will be telling other people, you don't have to stress that much. It will be okay. It will turn out okay. That is what I'm feeling for this. Not afraid of competitions, not afraid of other people, and you will compromise on the things you want to compromise. When you want to say something, you will go and say it. You will not put your ego up front. Okay, that is what I'm getting, and because of that, you will have a good family life also. So yes, you're working on a relationship, you're working on a craft, you're working, I feel you're letting go of your ego, your stress, and just working working on yourself and becoming a better person day by day, being more kind, more compassionate towards your family members, giving them time and not letting other people's opinions affect you in any way, that is the talent. You know what you want to take in and what you want to, we say now, you will hear from one ears and get it out from the other one. So something like that. I feel you will only take the things you actually want to take in, and other things you will just filter it, you will out it, you will not let inside you. Yeah, that is what I'm getting here. You're not taking other people's opinion, you're just working on yourself. That is the talent you're gonna get. I feel like that. Okay, so that's nice. Next, what will be your future opportunities? What opportunities you will be getting in the month, in the year of, I'm always saying this month of 2021, but yeah, what opportunities, future opportunities for my group number 3 people? Let's see. Wow, so Fool. Wow, new beginnings. Maybe travel. Yeah, I feel all the piles are getting travel. So yes, you might travel, you might be happy about something, new beginnings, new job, maybe new things or new ideas. I feel you will be getting new ideas and that will flourish. I feel like that you will be expressing yourself, okay, and because of that you will be getting a lot of opportunities. I feel like that you will not be afraid to take risk, and I feel you will be so bright that people will be loving you, and because of that you will get a lot of opportunities. Okay, so maybe for some of you might adopt a pet. Maybe that kind of energy I'm getting, where you will be buying some, adopting a pet or something like that. Okay, and you will not be afraid of risk. So that's why more people will be, more opportunities, more new opportunities are going to come, unexpected opportunities. It will come very quickly. I feel like that, and you will be like taking it. This person has like the world is in his hands and he's not afraid. That kind of energy. You will provide your services all over the world or something like that. Maybe more people will see your craft or something like that. I feel like that. So you will be getting opportunities from different parts of the world or something like that. Maybe you will be doing that. Everyone will be liking your work. I feel like that. For some of you that can be okay, and for some of you will be getting good opportunities. Anyways, new beginnings are coming. Very new opportunities you will get with this Fool card. Okay, so let's just clarify it also. Please clarify this Fool card. We got to yeah, with this Page of Swords and Wheel of Fortune, yeah, something online if you're doing, you will get a lot of you will make a lot of opportunity. You will get a lot of opportunities online. I feel like that if you're doing something online, maybe you're doing something online, maybe if you are an artist, more people will buy your art. Okay, you will get a lot of like collaboration or something like that. Maybe people want your services or something like that, or maybe new opportunities in love. Maybe some person will be there who is very educated, that might come, who likes to take a risk. That person might come to your life also. For some of you that might be an opportunity in love, and anyways you will be feeling very good about that because with this Wheel of Fortune I feel like that. Okay, yeah, so something yeah, you'll be loving life, and whatever opportunities will come, it will make you very, very happy. So a lot of opportunities, I feel like that, good opportunities that will make you happy. Maybe you will travel. Yeah, travel opportunity. As I said, all the piles got that. So let's see next one is like, what will be obstacles? Okay, what are your obstacles? Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, your obstacle will be letting go of something. With this Hanged Man energy, you might have problem letting go of something. I feel like that will be your obstacle. Okay, with this Judgment card, angels will be giving you a new path, but you will have problem letting it go. Okay, so maybe something, some person or some situation, you will have problem letting it go. So you need to let it go. So that might be your obstacle there. Okay, or maybe your obstacle, maybe that things are not moving. You might feel stuck sometime. You know, in 2021 you might feel stuck, or you might feel that things are not moving in your way. Okay, maybe your thinking needs to be changed, you need to have a different perception about things. Okay, so that is your obstacle. You know, maybe things not moving forward, things feeling stuck, because you have this slow moving energy. So maybe sometime you feel stuck, maybe that is your, you know, your own energy. Sometimes when we feel stuck, things stuck, right? So you need to get out of that energy, let go of that energy. Maybe it's your negative thinking also, maybe it's overthinking also. You know, you're overcoming that. Yeah, that is what you're learning, talent, you know, all over 2021. So that is an obstacle right now. Because of these obstacles only you're going to learn it, right? So yeah, I feel like that you will have that problem. You will feel things are not moving forward or something like that. Maybe that might be your obstacle. But remember, angels are with you, you're protected. With this Judgment card, they are giving you messages, they are giving you opportunities. Sometimes you need to let go of something to know, to see that. Okay, so maybe that is what I'm getting. So how to overcome this obstacle? Okay, so for group number 3, how to overcome this obstacle? Again, listen to your intuition. You know, interestingly, all 3 piles got Queen of Cups. Yeah, you need to trust your intuition. So whenever you're feeling stuck, you need to go inside of yourself, meditate, and look into your heart. What you actually need? Okay, why are you feeling stuck? What you need to let go, and you will get, your angels will give you the answer. You need to trust your intuition more. And when you trust your intuition, when you see the bigger picture, you will be able to move out of that situation very quickly. So the only obstacle is that you feeling stuck in your mind. I feel like that you're receiving messages, but sometimes you're feeling so stuck, you might be in your head also sometimes. So that is why you will not listen to your heart. Okay, so that is an obstacle for you guys. So you need to be like this Queen of Cups energy. You know, moon, we have this moon energy. You need to sense your emotions. You need to take, you know, you need to, sometimes when you feel stuck, go inside, meditate, and listen to your body. Okay, so I feel like that your body is giving you messages, or that is what I'm feeling, and that is what you're getting. You know, I feel for many of you will achieve that. By the end of the year, you will be like, yeah, I need to trust my intuition, and you will not be stressing. That is what you're leaving, you know. Yeah, that is what you're learning, not to stress, not to overthink, trust your intuition. So yeah, so how you will achieve your goals and dreams? Let's see, for group number 3, how you're going to achieve your goals and dreams for 2021. Okay, patience. You need to be very patient with the 7 delay. You need to be very patient. If you want to achieve your goals, you need to be very patient. Okay, I told you already, this is going to be very slow moving energy. You will not be having you know, fast movement. It is going to be a slow moving energy for you guys. So if you want to achieve your goals, trust your intuition and be patient. Don't give up, work hard. You know, with the 7 of Pentacles energy, you are putting a lot of effort, and you will reap the rewards, but you need to be patient. You know, everything will happen at the divine timing. So that is, if you want to achieve your goals and dreams, you need to be patient. Okay, nothing is gonna be very quick. No, for you it's like slow moving energy. So remember that. Okay, be patient. Okay, so that is what I'm getting here. Okay, yeah, if you want to achieve your goals, be patient. Okay, so let's see extra messages for you guys for group number 3. What is this? What is the guidance for these guys? Oh my god, sorry for that. I'll just shuffle it again. Just shuffle it. Okay, for my group number 3. Yeah, change in the wind. So things are going to change for you guys. Okay, yeah, things will change for you guys, but you need to be more peaceful. Okay, you need to meditate more. I feel like that. Maybe sometimes we all are afraid of change, right? So you don't have to be afraid of changes. This delays all will be over. Okay, you need to trust yourself. Don't give up and go with the flow. Be in the present moment. I'm getting that. You need to be more in the present moment. Don't be in the future. I feel for some of you, you are, sometimes we always think about future, and so we don't live our present moment. So it's important you be in the present moment. Don't think more about future. Do the work you need to do and trust the universe. Have faith. That is what I'm getting for you guys. So if you're going to be impatient and if you give up, you're not going to achieve your goals and dreams. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so let's see what are your affirmations. Be peaceful, guys. Meditate. Okay, and when we overthink, the peace goes. So you need to let go of that overthinking. That is what you need to, that is the obstacle also, I feel like that, overthinking. So let's see. Detach yourself from the outcome. Just keep working, because you will be successful. You're gonna be, you will master the skill. I feel like that for many of you. Okay, so yeah, let's see what are your affirmations for 2021 for my group number 3 people. Okay. Yeah, look, I told you, I release all criticism. Yeah, with the 7 years, that is what you're learning. You're going to release all the criticism. You're not going to think what other people think of you. You're just going to go. Yeah, that is what is changing inside you. So much of change inside of you. That is what by the end of the year, you will be learning that. And because of that, you will be very patient also. You will, by the end of the year, I feel many of you will be like, you will embrace that. You will be good at it. I feel like that, and because you will have to wait anyways. So I release all criticism. Yeah, you're gonna release that. I only give out that which I wish to receive in return. Okay, my love and acceptance of others is mirrored to me in every moment. Yeah, so what we think, it mirror backs, right? So that is what important for you guys here. Yeah, you need to be patient. You need to have faith in yourself. Okay, so I claim my own power. I lovingly create my own reality. So you have this talent, guys. Embrace it. Work on it. Don't doubt yourself. And anyways, you will learn that. You're going to release all that. So you need to, this affirmation will help you guys. I ask for more understanding so that I may knowingly and lovingly shape my world and my experiences. And you got an extra one. I am in the process of positive change. Yes, you are definitely in the process of positive change. And so yeah, you're going towards positivity. So sometimes things might be but you will be okay. Okay, 7 and 7, getting more spiritual, meditating. So I feel for this pile, meditation will help you a lot. Okay, to calm your mind, to get the messages you want. You will receive messages, I feel like that also. So I am unfolding in fulfilling ways. Only good can come to me. I now express health, happiness, prosperity, and peace of mind. Okay, so that are your affirmations. Now let's do the charms for my group number 3. Let's see what your charms have to add. So let's see for group number 3. So we don't have anything for September. Okay, this was like July and August, right? March, we don't have anything for January. Okay, so we don't have anything for May and June and January. So February month, you're told to be, you need to keep moving forward. Don't give up. Just keep moving forward. Even if things feel like it's not moving, don't give up. Just keep on moving forward. With the 7, you will be feeling like that. Why things are not moving forward? Why things are so delayed? With this hangman energy also you had, that is your obstacle. Just keep on moving forward. And with this March, you don't have to be attached to an outcome. Don't attach yourself to an outcome. Don't expect a lot. Just keep on working, keep on moving forward. So March month, I feel you might be hoping for something, and that might not happen the way you want. Okay, so don't attach yourself. Let go of that attachment. I feel you need to let go of that in the month of March. In the month of April, you are protected, and love is love all over. Divine love. You're getting guidance from your spirit guides, your angels. So take that messages. Okay, that is what I'm getting for April. Okay, so and I feel April month, you need to take care of yourself. Be gentle with yourself. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. We don't have, okay, if we can take like this, you need to let go of something with this. You might be hanging on to a situation, a family matter or something like that. You need to let go of them. Okay, maybe there are, you got the seahorse here also. It's like I can take it for July also. Yeah, we have the seahorse here also. So it's like you might be healing in the month of July and August, or maybe there might be some family issues. I feel like that there, you might have a lot to do with your family members. I feel like that for some of you, I feel you will be healing in the month of July and August. You'll be letting go of the things that is not serving you, and you might be healing. Or for some of you, you will have a lot of responsibilities in the month of July and August, a lot of work to do in your family or something like that. But remember, you have all the solutions also. Even though problems will be there, responsibilities will be there in your life, but you will find a way to do it. Okay, don't hang on to the overthinking. Don't hang on to a situation that is not serving for you. Let it go. Okay, let that go. We don't have anything for September. October, wow, manifestation, magic wand. And what is this? Playful energy I'm getting. You will be very playful in the month of October, and with that cute little, is it a kitty? Yeah, you will feel independent in the month of October, and I feel some manifestation might come that will make you happy, relaxed. You'll feel relaxed in the month of October. I feel like that. Okay, because I feel this July August month you need to let go anything, something about family. I feel like that. Okay, but you have the solutions. Okay, divine is helping you on that. Okay, that is also I'm getting. Okay, so yeah, some manifestations will take place, I feel, in the October month, and that will make you very, very happy. Okay, or you might exercise in the month of October, play with kids or something like that, feeling very independent in the month of October. And then for November we have number 2, so everything will be, this July August, I feel like you need to do a work, you might be doing a lot of work, and you will not feel that balance, but by at the end of the year you will be very balanced. Things will be coming together. Okay, right? And with this angels are near you. Okay, don't worry guys, you're very connected. I feel like you are very connected to angels, so everything will be okay. And in December we have this bird here, and then we have this number 3. Number 3 is about like connecting to the ascendant masters, angels, or being joyful, being creative. Okay, so yeah, that is what is December about. You'll be connecting to the divine more. Things will be, by the end of the year, I feel things will be all coming together. Okay, so yeah, just keep on moving forward. Okay, so that is what I'm getting here. A lot of family responsibilities for you guys. I feel like that also, but you will overcome everything because you have all the solutions, so don't worry guys. Okay, and with this word, I don't know, I feel like there will be person or someone who is giving you negative vibe, so ignore them and just concentrate on your divinity, on your meditation. Connect with your spirit guides, angels. You are very creative also, so just don't let these people get into you. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Okay, so yeah, and last is the letters for my group 3. Let's see what letters for my group 3. It's E, it's T. Oh, a lot of letters for you guys. Oh, it's a blank. W, L, W again, F, R. Right now, I'm getting right now. I don't know wow. T. Okay. Then N, U, N, I, M, me. You need to take care of yourself also. Yeah, sometimes I feel, because I felt like you will have a lot of responsibilities, you need to spend more time with yourself also, in nature or something like that. I'm getting that also, to release that negativity or something like that. I don't know why I'm feeling with the family. You might maybe there are family members who are toxic or something like that, but you will be, you will heal, but you need to be like sage yourself or something like that. I'm getting cleanse your energy, ground your energy. Then anything else? There are a lot of letters here. Maybe you get some initials for your name or something like that. Okay, then I'm getting a daughter. Okay, a daughter. For some of you, I don't know why, maybe some of you will give birth to a girl child or something like that in 2021. I'm getting that also. I'm getting daughter vibes here. Just came in. Okay, then what else? Run. I'm getting run. Yes, take care of your health. Run. Um, okay, for me, you will be feeling that time is running out. No, time is not running out. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting that. You will be feeling, oh, time is going. Maybe no, you need to be patient, guys. Okay, time is not running out. Okay, so that is your challenge. If you want to achieve your dreams, goals, be patient. Time is not going anywhere. Yeah, I'm this old, I have to marry. No, everything will happen at the correct time. Don't waste your energy on that kind of thinking. Be patient and keep doing your work. Discover yourself, explore yourself, keep working on yourself. You need to keep working on yourself. Be disciplined about the things you want to do in your life. Don't think that time is running out, my age is going, all the people, don't compare yourself to anyone. That is what you're learning, that is the talent you're getting right now. By the end of the year, I feel you will be okay. You'll be learning that lesson. I feel like that. Okay, anything else? Let's see. Okay, do we have a yes? No, we don't have. So anything else still? Anything else? Okay, I'm just getting a name here. Arun. Okay. Okay, and I'm getting a name again. Dia. Okay, that is also name. Okay, so anything else? Yeah, I'm getting another name, and this is my sister's name, interestingly. Hema. Okay, so yeah, friendship, deep friendship with someone. I'm feeling like that with this tea. You will have a tea time with someone. Okay, him. For some of you, there is a him. Okay, so yeah, some person is coming into your life. Maybe that is, or maybe you will spend a lot of time with your partner running. You might be exercising together, something like that. Okay, then what else? Okay, I'm getting, this is like different. LE. We have a again. Okay, we have A and F. So if we have an A again, I can just keep this, tea leaf, maybe tea leaf divination, you will learn that for some of you. Okay, maybe with tea leaf you will do something. Okay, so that is also coming. Or leaf is also about like a creativity, growth. So you're growing. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. Okay, ENT. Okay, we have here also. Yeah, good news. Some good news will be you will receive some good news, definitely, guys. Okay, yeah, with this ear, or maybe you have a spiritual gift of clairaudience. I'm getting that also here. You need to hear, you need to listen that. You need to trust your thoughts. Okay, sometimes your thoughts are the messages from the divine. Okay, and yeah, that is also coming here. Anything else? Anything else here? So ENT also came. So maybe you have some problem there. You need to show to doctor or something, ear or nose or tongue. Because of that also I'm feeling like that. Yeah. Or maybe you have that spiritual gifts. I'm getting that also. Okay. Then yeah, some of you are joining university or something like that, or maybe you will be graduating college, or maybe you will you will get the place, you will get the opportunity. If you're planning to learn in some university, you might get the seat. Okay, yeah, be peaceful, guys. You will get the admission. I feel like that. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know why I'm feeling like what good news you will receive. what is the good news? You know, we have a year and I want to know what is the good news that you will receive. I'm just pulling out for this group only. What is the good news they will receive? For my group number 3, what is the good news that they will receive this year? Look at that. Wow. You got the, look at that, the good news. You know, abundance, lot of hard work paying off, you know, rainbows. These 2 cards are about, you know, a lot of abundance is coming into your life, a lot of money, financial growth. Wow. Okay, the only thing you need to work on is don't overthink about things, and when you know, maybe you will get stuck in your mind a lot. It's not because things are not moving forward, it's because you feel that things are not moving forward. So you need to work on that, because that's why I felt like that, you know. You know, yes, with these 2 cards are the most positive cards in this oracle deck, and you got both of them, right? So yeah, you know, you will be feeling very abundant with this green color. Look at that, with rainbows. You know, after the rain come the rainbow, milk, honey. You will have a lot of abundance, lot of sweetness in your life. The only thing is you need to work on is your own impatience. Okay, so that is what you need to work, guys. So wow, that's beautiful there last. That's why I felt like, you know. Okay, so that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care, guys.